Hello, in front of me I've got the Elder Scrolls Oblivion. In this video I'll show you how to teleport your character via console. There are two ways to teleport character via console. First you enter console and now you can type COC and then enter location of the place. Next you can type COE open brackets, and now you have to enter exact location of X and Y in the game. In order to do it, find the location of this place in the internet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.